As you enter my room, I have bulletin boards to the right, as well as some Eagle expectations on a poster underneath the light switches, as well as a map of the school. I like having those close to the door so kids can access those if they need. I have these bulletin boards and posters, all with different subjects right now. I teach an engineering class, and I have a bulletin board with some engineering vocabulary, what the engineering process is, as well as some keywords that go along with it. Along with that, I have the scientific process on top. It helps me guide my instruction for the hands-on activities that we do in class. And then we also have some math posters that I've created, as well as some problem of the week and some other additional posters that I've made that I've had kids use with notes. Along here I have some bookshelves with some teacher guides that I use and will use. I try to create some posters and put them in the appropriate place, so I have the pledge underneath the flag and other posters more for, I guess, entertainment than anything else. Being able to take a mental break and come over and take a look at a poster. And I have some other small, more classroom library that is intended for the subjects that I teach. Then I have a bathroom pass with the drinks, so girls and boys can write their names. It's really simple with passes hanging next to it for convenience. On top, more posters and a number line, as well as I have the screen that I can pull down and use with the projector. And I try to bring the projector here in the middle, and you can see that I bring that back and forth so I can get out and access this whole big floor space. My desk is over in the far corner underneath the TV next to the windows. I've always been a teacher that enjoys having my desk next to some sort of fresh air, just because it's nice for me to sit down and enjoy a breeze as I work. And then I've got some letter lines on top and also some other math posters on the far wall here. I have this far counter space with one computer on it that is a great place for me to send kids spread out across the room if I need. And then I have some other posters hanging from the ceiling over there, as well as another bunch of shelves filled with manipulatives that I'll use for math or any other resources that I need, with some math curriculums there. And then I have other shelves over here that I've filled up with dictionaries and books and other storage. I have 4 tables in my room, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the middle of each one of these tables is a pencil box. And inside the pencil box I try to give them plenty of resources with pencils. I have crayons, glue sticks, and erasers. I'm trying to think of what kids will need as they are sitting in my classroom. I have one more table back here, a great place for me to bring the kids back and teach a small direct lesson so they can all huddle around me if I need. Over here I have some cubbies, and these cubbies are filled with, I teach a 5th grade engineering class, and you can see up top there are 2 buckets filled with folders and spirals for 2 of the 3 5th grade math teachers. And then down below here I have little cubbies where kids can keep extra work, or also stash their spirals and notebooks for math classes. I teach a 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade math class. And I have some posters over here talking about having classroom behavior and how to treat others with respect. I have these stools. Usually they are close to the other tables here, just so that's a place for me to come and sit down at the table with the kids while they work independently, and I can give feedback or any other teachers that want to enter the room. I have a small easel over there where I can create a poster with the students, and I can hang that up. I like completing posters with the students, if not with the notes that they take in class, but also something that I can create to put over here on the bulletin boards. Last, I have the objectives written up on the board, with the date and give an idea of what we're doing in class. Let the kids walk in, they can know what's going on, or if my administrator or parent walks in, they'll be able to take a look at it and see what's going on. But the room's pretty basic. I appreciate getting a blank shell of a room and filling it up with stuff, kids' work, and really trying to build successes of the students and put it around them so they know that they're able to complete the work and it's all meaningful for them. So a lot of these posters will come down at the end of the year, and I will create new ones at the beginning of next year. So this is my room, and like I said, there's other posters up there that I enjoy putting up just because they're fun. And that's that. Thanks.